Hello, this is Kenji Kumara, and welcome to another Joyful Tune-In. Today, we're going to briefly talk about discernment and how to know what is truth for you in these times of great change, of planetary awakenings, the great shift, as we call it. So much of humanity is in overwhelm right now. Lots of discussions, lots of internal conflicts being made manifest in the world. Who and what to believe, what is true, what is not true, how to know what you are to believe and what you are to do. Everybody have an opinion about everything. So today, we're going to show you a simple way to begin to discern what is true for you. So gently close your eyes, bring your focus to the breath, breathe into the heart space, breathe into the palms of your hands, breathe gently into the soles of your feet. And then begin to disengage consciousness from the body, knowing you're not your body. You're going to move into that inner place where all is known, where you are using 100% your ability to discern the truth for you. You can imagine and feel drifting into your center point, your point of light, your point of creation that is beyond the physical, that is beyond the earth plane, in the higher dimensions. Imagine that you are surrounded by this beautiful purple light, very translucent, iridescent, crystalline-like purple, beautiful purple. And within this purple is your knowing, is your wisdom, is your connection to your Akashic records and to your past lives. It is that place on a soul level where you know what is true for you. So we're going to now create a more conscious connection into the heart chakra of your body, into the throat chakra, and into the pineal gland. And begin to feel these three chakra points being connected and harmonized with each other, open and clear. And decide today that you are going to trust what comes through these centers from your higher self regarding what is true for you. And you can use your body like a pendulum in giving you an affirmative sensation that says, yes, this is true for you. And decide that you are going to only accept, starting today, only what is true for you that comes from source, that comes from your higher self, that comes from your I am. And to disregard and to say no to anything that comes from a place of duality and conflict and confusion. Any place that comes from fear. You may now say no to that. No, thank you. Not my truth. Be gone with you. Many blessings. So practice this exercise, this technique, whenever you can throughout the day, especially in conversation, and especially when watching television, the news, anything on your computer. And begin to re-educate yourself in trusting your intuition. And again, only accept that which is true for you, disregarding all the rest. So let this set with you for the rest of the day. And in the meantime, if you would like more information on our services and new programs, please go to kenjikumara.com. And thank you again for tuning in. Have a very blessed day. Namaste.